Go.
Hi, Grandma.
Okay, Ellie's going to tell us how many days we have left until we leave on vacation.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11 days! And now we are going to demonstrate for you the 11 days dance.
11!
Scott, do you have an 11 days dance? Scott, how many days till we go on vacation?
11!
14? No, 11 days. This is Pootie's 11 days dance. Woohoo! 11 days!
Mom,
We love you, Grandma.
Bye. Bye.
This is